So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my trustworthy, not so old but not so new Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, and today again I'm streaming and recording locally, but this time I'm not streaming on Kick, I'm streaming on Twitch service. Once again we are back in Garuda Linux, the Dragonized Gaming Edition, and I'll give you the full details. The ones that I remember from memory is that it's KDE Plasma 6.6, brand new stuff, Wayland of course, and I've been doing some customization here and there, nothing crazy, trying the system a bit, and I think I'm on the right track to have in time a proper guide, helper so to speak, in order to customize it, if of course you will be liking what I'll be showing you. Personally, I'm quite glad so far about Garuda Linux. I'm glad that I have been trying it, and some few annoyances that I come across, they were like not so hard to overcome, but yeah, some silly annoyances, like you can find those everywhere really. But yeah, this system, it's like visually wise, at least it's like it was made for people like me who enjoy, prefer vibrant colors and bombastic even colors, and here we are. So speaking of vibrant colors, look at this wallpaper, desktop picture. Anyway, on the top bar here, for example, I have customized it a bit. I moved the date and time to the right side of the screen, like you can see there. And of course I customized a bit the icons here. For example, it didn't have the weather, I inserted this one as well. And also the menu, the main menu. Before I will continue, let me show you the system information with the terminal. Here it is. Garuda Linux KDE Plasma 6.6 Wayland, AMD Ryzen, the system I mean, AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Mobile, Max-Q if you prefer, and as I said in the beginning, Legion 5 Pro, AMD version of course. And I'm running it and at its full native resolution, 2560 by 1600 at 165 Hz. However, if you see the motions, the animations, everything really being a little bit jerky or slow or whatever, it's because I'm streaming and recording at 25 frames per second. Also, like yesterday and today, I'm streaming using the software encoder of OBS and not the hardware encoder. Eventually, of course, I will do that as well. Anyway, back to the customizations that I have been doing. This is the dock. I have customized basically both the dock as I prefer it and the top bar. So these are all set. Also installed the applications that I think I will be using mostly and also showing you. And I found one very cool trick on KDE Plasma 6.6, which is this. Basically, I will move to desktop workspace 4, and here on the right side I have my OBS. Now you don't see it because I have been using a new option on KDE Plasma 6.6, which basically hides stuff from the stream. So I will enable now, I will disable this option now, and you will be seeing the OBS on your stream, on your screen, sorry, like now. Boom. So the OBS is back. Insane. I love it. Especially for people who do recordings or streams or both, like I have been doing. This is like insane feature to have. Love it. And going back to hiding, of course. Boom. And what can I say? Amazing. Cool stuff. However, I hope that you're seeing my camera. Yeah, it's the camera I see it's available to you. Yeah, nice. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. Also, I have been progressing with my PicOS for GNOME 49.x guide. I'm almost halfway there. As I said yesterday, I will not be having plenty of time today or on Sunday or maybe on Monday, but I'm doing my best to keep the content coming on a daily basis. And of course, I will do my best to provide you with a guide for PicOS for GNOME 49.x. And in order to do that as best as possible, I have installed this PicOS 4 system that I had on this machine. I installed it on virtual machine this time on Garuda Linux. So basically, if I will do this now, I will not launch it, of course, but trust me, the system is here. And yeah, I'm preparing the guide, and as soon as it's ready, I will offer it to you. So the system, it's quite a good experience. I like it quite a lot. It's like it's a cross somewhat in performance between, just like GNOME, it's a cross between like Endeavour OS XFCE or Void Linux, but Void Linux is the faster, so fast, I must admit. So maybe I should say a cross of Endeavour OS or MX Linux and PicOS 4 with GNOME. It's like somewhere in between, or if you prefer, in some aspects, in some regards, it's closer to PicOS 4 with GNOME 49 something something. All in all, quite a good experience. And let me show you the resources that it is using at the moment. So with streaming, recording locally using the software encoder and having full effects across the system, and plenty of extra stuff, trust me. I mean, the Garuda Dr460nized Gaming Edition by itself, it has plenty of extra things, and I have added few extras as well. And we are sitting about 5 gigabytes of RAM at the moment, but the CPU and GPU usage, it's not that crazy. Excuse me. But yeah, all in all, I'm gladly surprised about the system. And also, I didn't have enough time to take care of this to actually understand what is going on. It's the menu situation, like going up here, that you can see the menu of the apps. This one, I didn't have the time to understand why some apps are up there and why some other apps are not there. For example, yesterday I found out with GIMP. This video, I will not take it too far, I will soon end it, but I wanted to say this. As you can see, the GIMP does not put its menu up here. I'm sure it's related to the technology that the apps were developed. Sure, not 100% sure, but that's what I believe at the moment. That's what I think at the moment. Anyway, this one, for example, it has the menu and I love it. If it's possible to have all the apps, their menus up there, I will love it. It's so cool for me to have the menu there. Anyway, I changed, of course, the title bars and the buttons and everything as I prefer them to be. And yeah, KDE, it's like it has plenty of extra cool stuff by itself that you can enable. Sorry, I drifted away with all the things that I wanted to say. I forgot to show you the GUI, not just the terminal information about the system. So here it is, basically Garuda Linux KDE Plasma version 6.6. Here is the processor, memory, etc. information of the system. And yeah, as I was saying, KDE offers like by itself plenty of customization to be had, and it's comparable, I will say, to using plenty of extensions on GNOME, for example. But yeah, I'm quite glad about the Garuda Linux, highly recommended so far, all good. And yeah, I just can't get enough of its looks. It's amazing, I love it. And this trick that you cannot see the the windows that I don't want you to see, it's just such a cool trick. It's not the cherry on top, that's the cake. It's like wow. It's a feature that you didn't know that you needed unless you will use it, and it's seemingly it's flawless. Seemingly, I'm sure that plenty of people would have plenty of negative things to say, but personally I love it. And also I managed to have my OBS shortcuts to work just fine, unlike my experience with PicOS 4 and GNOME, which of course that problem, maybe it was me, maybe I was too stupid to find that trick, but I mean, you know, with the whole theme customizations, it wasn't possible. If I didn't want to customize OBS to fully adhere to my theme preferences, it was possible, of course. But here I can have my cake and eat it too. I can have my visual preferences and the functionality that I prefer. Mwah! Perfect. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!